weekly activities. I go grocery shopping once a week at the local supermarket. My family does the housework together every Saturday morning. I usually do the washing on Sunday morning. And when the machine is finished, I hang the clothes out to dry. On Sunday morning, we go to church or mosque. And if there is lots of noise coming from the next door, sometimes we fight with the neighbor. On Saturday night, my parents stay at home and I go out with friends. Even my friends that live at home call their parents each week. Every evening, I water the garden. I usually pay someone to wash the car, but my partner says I should do it. So sometimes I argue with my partner about that. If we are angry at the neighbor, we seek vengeance by annoying his dogs. I work in an important office, so I have to shine my shoes each day. Sometimes we hire a movie because we don't like to illegally download music and films. I make sure that I synchronize my iPod so I always have no music on it. To get our shopping, we go to the mall in the car. Last week, I forgot to recharge my travel card, and I had to argue with a bus driver. I couldn't call the office because I forgot to recharge my cell phone.